Public schools, the top 40 charts, and Walmart are a great place to study the lunacy of human behavior. However, scientists often study isolated populations in order to isolate the factors that go into human populations. Now, there's a very famous study that has yielded many theories, and that's the populations of Easter Island. Easter Island's a tiny little island that had some human populations, and those populations collapsed. Now, so did the wildlife populations and the forests and everything else. And so scientists are really interested into how this happened. There are three major theories. There's the overpopulation or resource scarcity theory. And, what you're going to do in this assignment is you practice the art of the sentence. You're going to give me one good sentence after overpopulation theory to introduce. It's your thesis statement, right? It's your introduction and brief summary, very brief introduction as to what you're about to say next. And then I want you to give me bullet points to fill out and explain the evidence and assumptions of this theory. Evidence and assumptions is two different things. One of the other theories is civil war, a civil war theory. So again, you're going to practice the art of the sentence. You're going to give me a great thesis statement, and then you're going to give me bullet points after that to show me the evidence and assumptions. Now, the last one here is one that you may not have seen before. It's the rat theory. I'll let you look that up. You're going to do your own research on these and then practice your sentence writing and then your explanation of evidence and assumptions. Now, the very last thing you're going to do, this is where you reflect on the nature of man, the future of mankind. You're going to tell me some lessons learned. Now, all of these, whether they're true or not, and it may be some combination of these, of what really happened on Easter Island. But what you're going to do is give me the lessons mankind needs to learn today. It may be about invasive exotics problems. It may be about forest management or agriculture management. It may be about diplomatic solutions and not eating each other to solve problems and things like that. But either way, we look at the past, we look at evidence, and we look at theory, and we have to apply it to today. We have to say, what can we learn from this isolated population that applies to the rest of the globe moving forward? That's your research project, and that's how you're going to do it. Let's see what you can come up with.